military child. We are so glad you could join us today. Did you know that the color purple represents all military children? That's because purple was made by combining all the colors of the military: blue, green, and red. So today we're wearing purple to show and support and appreciate for our military heroes. That's right, and guess what? Military kids are amazing. You're strong, brave, and resilient. You might have to move to a new place, say goodbye to friends, just to schools or activities, but we do it all with a smile on our faces. Our role models. Military kids are role models. We show the world what it means to be strong and adaptable. We learn to make new friends, experience new things, and handle challenges like experts. And guess what? Many military kids help out at home by being supportive when their parents are away. And they work hard at school to make their families proud. It takes a lot of courage to be a military child, and we're here today to honor them.
To all military children in our school, we want to say you are special, you are loved, and you are appreciated. You make a big difference in the world, and we are so thankful for everything you do. Let's take a moment to recognize and honor all military children. If you are a military child, would you please stand so we can give you a round of applause? You may be seated.
Thank you for being brave and strong and for showing us how to be resilient no matter what life throws our way. And remember, military kids, we are never alone. We are all part of a big family, and we support each other no matter where we are.
So as we celebrate this month, let's keep in mind how special military children are and how they make a difference in the world. Let's wear purple to show our love and appreciation, not just today, but every day in April.
Thank you for joining us in this fun celebration. Let's continue to support and cheer on the military children around us. We are all resilient.
We are going to have our lovely 4th grade chorus, directed by Mrs. Powell, sing our national anthem. wonderful treat. We have the JROTC presentation from Northern Burlington High School.